Hi, my name is Titanya, and these are your Wednesday Energy Minutes. Today I am going to share with you a technique that my mother created and taught to me. Who is my mother? My mother is Donna, holistic health pioneer, and she actually really helped herself from multiple sclerosis, and this was one of the exercises she did. I call it the Earth Mama Plug. And so this is how it goes. You're going to find yourself a nice piece of earth. And just sit down, take off your shoes. You can be barefoot too, but today is a cold, cold day, so I'm going to keep my socks on, and it works just as well. The earth herself wants to give to us. It's filled with beautiful, positive ions, and it just is really wanting us to receive. But so many times we wear rubber shoes and we cannot receive from the earth in rubber shoes. We're in our homes. We cannot receive if we're not out here in nature. Nature is such a wonderful healer, and it's so good if you don't have anybody to help you heal, or you don't have any money to go to a doctor or a healer. This is a fantastic one to do. The Earth Mama Plug. All you want to do is find a nice piece of earth, and you are going to plug into her. Put your feet on the earth, take your hands, and like a light socket, you're going to plug into the earth, and you're going to lie back and just imagine that your illness is seeping into the earth herself, and the earth will take it. Now, you can do this about 10 minutes or more. The longer, the better, and even every day. This is an amazing technique if you don't have a partner that can heal you, or if you have no money to go to a doctor or a healer. And so try it out for yourself, and this is one of those techniques that my mother healed herself from MS. And so, from the wishing tree in Avebury, England, about 20 years ago, there was no ribbons on this tree when I came by, and I thought it should be a wishing tree. And now 20 years later, it's this beautiful wishing tree. And everybody comes and wraps ribbons into the tree for blessings for their babies or their marriages or a good wish. And so if you ever come over to England, this is a good place to come to, Avebury, England, and come and sit at this beautiful tree. So until next week, bye-bye.